You open your iPhone 17 expecting to launch Mail, App Store, or another app you use often, but it's suddenly missing. No icon on the home screen, nothing in the app library, and it feels like the app just vanished. In most cases, it isn't deleted, it's just hidden, restricted, or moved somewhere else. Here are the different ways to restore missing apps on your iPhone 17. First, try searching for the app. Swipe right on the home screen until you reach the app library. Type the name of the app, for example, Shortcuts. If it appears in the results, the app is still installed and in the system. Just tap it to open and use the app. If the app doesn't show up on your home screen, it may be hidden. Scroll to the bottom of the app library and look for the empty or locked category section in the bottom right area. Tap it, then unlock it using Face ID or your passcode. Any hidden apps stored there will become visible again, and you can launch them from that list. Another common reason apps disappear is screen time restrictions. Open Settings and tap Screen Time. Go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap Allowed Apps and Features. Apps that are disabled here won't appear on your home screen or app library. Just turn on the switch next to the missing app to restore access. In the case where the App Store is missing, return to the Content and Privacy Restrictions settings menu, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases, and make sure the Installing Apps option under the Store Purchases and Re-Downloads section is set to Allow. If the app still doesn't appear, it may have been uninstalled. This is more common with third-party apps. Just open the App Store, search for the app, and download it again to restore it. For missing built-in apps that don't return after checking restrictions or search, try updating iOS or resetting all settings. This can restore system apps that failed to display correctly. Once restored, your apps should appear again and work as normal. And that's it. If this helped you recover missing apps on your iPhone 17, give it a like or watch another tutorial to learn more solutions and hidden settings. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.